We are Simplexity Product Development, the market leader in mechatronics and detailed engineering design services. Simplexity is hired by leading technology companies for our depth of expertise in developing next-generation products, including molecular diagnostic instruments, medical devices, and wearables.
Designing wearable devices requires unique cross-disciplinary engineering and design skills. Size and packaging constraints, low power requirements, wireless connectivity, as well as environmental and safety concerns all come into play. Our wearables clients rely on our diverse and integrated design skills to help them achieve advances that differentiate their products in this highly competitive market.
What sets Simplexity apart from other product development firms is our integrated systems approach to all the required engineering disciplines, from multi-degree of freedom mechanical systems to optimized electrical assemblies to robust firmware. We specialize in complete system design, where all disciplines work together to create smart solutions that reduce risk and accelerate time to market.
Projects are executed by our team of experienced and dedicated engineers, project managers, and technicians that collectively have been awarded over 200 patents.
Simplexity's proven phase-gate product development process has been used to develop hundreds of new products, from initial idea through manufacturing.
In addition to performing ground-up design, we also evaluate existing designs for cost savings, improved reliability, and performance enhancements. With multiple West Coast locations, we're available to serve you both locally and globally.
If you're designing an innovative product but don't have the engineers you need, our full product development engineering team is here to help.
Contact Simplexity today to discuss how we can help turn your ideas and promising prototypes into market-ready products. Simplexity, simplifying the complex.